Want to know how to use or activate forms in WordPress by using plugins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, make sure you are on WordPress.com and make sure you are on its dashboard as well. Now, once you're there, here you can see on the left side various options. Now, just simply select plugins. Now, once you're under plugins, since we have to install a form plugin, I would recommend WP Form. Now, right here you can see WP Forms. So you can just simply select it, and if you have an upgraded plan, you can just simply download it for free. Now you can just simply upgrade and activate, and once that is done and after your credentials is filled, just simply head towards the pages right here and select the page that exists, or you can just simply create a new page. Now once the page loads, here you can see your page, so you can just simply select enter, and right here you can see this plus icon right here or right here also, so you can just simply select any one of those. And once the blog ad is shown, just simply sort of for WP forms, so you can also select browse all to browse for more plugins and forms. So once you've found it, you can just simply select it, and once that is done, super simple and easy. That's how you add forms. You can just fill in forms, edit it, and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.